just gon' quit it. So if you got a fire, don't lose it.
Whoa, what the f***? You had your f***ing signal right on to the left, asshole. Jesus.
No, don't go, you idiot. Wow, what a Bell Road.
Mm-hmm.
And as we're going, this guy on the bicycle decides to cross the street and the crosswalk. And I looked at the sign; it had a red hand.
Mm-hmm. Oh, shit, that was close.
Have a good day.
Have a good one. That's a do not enter. You know, the sign's right there on both sides of the entrance.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
I had to get over so he wanted to hit us. Knew that was coming. Is that Kellen?
Is it?
And check out the latest sports odds. Visit ProDog.net today. Hashtag make a play.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What happened?
I have no idea.
ProDog.net today. Hashtag make a play.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What happened?
Slide past the trash that's hidden. Split the tree in half and crack the pavement. Throw graffiti on the mainstream outlet.
You could go up to the next exit, dumbass. Fucking idiot.
But I've noticed that so far there isn't a lawsuit, and I think if Jimmy Kimmel wants to get back on the air, and I certainly don't blame him for wanting to get back on the air, he's probably not going to sue, and he's probably not going to be supported by ABC or Disney or Nexstar if he does sue. So again, I take the legal analysis. Obviously, that's correct, I'm sure.
Oh my God. Jesus. Okay, Garmin, save video.
Alright, so.
Holy dude.
Okay, Garmin. Okay, Garmin.
I didn't ask to come here. With all horses and dogs and houses and cars and wives.
Her follow-up, Rivals, was turned into a television series last year. Dame Ginny started her career as a journalist before publishing her first book. In a statement, her children called her the shining light in all of their lives, while her agent said her bombbusters stood the test of time.
The Prime Minister of France has resigned less than a day after unveiling his new cabinet. Sebastien and his list of ministers was widely criticised by his political rivals, who said it was almost identical to his predecessors. France has been locked in a political stalemate since elections last summer produced a